Hello guys, how are you today? If you're watching the same thing as I do right here, you are very pleased. Yes, indeed. By the way, my voice is a bit sore for some reason. So it sounds a bit rusty. It doesn't matter. I can still say what I want to say, really. However, look at the beauty of URA. Look at it. Boom. Fantastic volume. There it is. Boom. And yeah, right now we treat the uranium bull market as fully intact. It's beautiful. It's lovely across the board. 1 hourly, what happened here? Basically, we just ran straight out of the gate here. Poop. And yeah, we closed at the highs. Beautiful. A tiny gap over here, but hey, it's okay. I don't have much to add really. The big green fat candle came, the volume came in. So what we thought would happen, and we of course we prayed to the upside. It came. It's beautiful. It's lovely. The uranium bull market is fully intact, and yeah, amazing. Amazing. Let's have a bearish view, for instance, right? Again, we have the big pop here, we have the volume. To me, this is as good as it gets. Nothing is 100%, as you know, as I'm always saying, but again, we can come down, retest, fail, retest, and then start to do a lot of weird things, right? But until that happens, beautiful, fantastic, lovely. I like everything that I see here. Same thing for the URNM. You can see the volume here is also picking up, not as much as the URA, but hey, boom, look at that. It's fantastic. Above the 30 weekly, the range that we had is broken. The trend line is finally giving up. It's, yeah, it's beautiful. I'm not going to say much because we, as mentioned, we saw what we came for, and it was to the upside. That's good. URNJ is probably the most bullish of them all, funnily enough. False breakdown here, wedge broken to the upside. Volume, a bit iffy, but we cannot, get everything that we are looking for. But still, fantastic. A fantastic outlook by the URNJ. The bull market is in full swing, and the next chart I want to show you is the most important chart of the day. Hands down, the most important chart of the day. I will not go into details because we have been talking about this for like 3 weeks. It's finally here. We're just going to celebrate a bit. Sometimes you got to step back and just say, hey, this is good. This is really good. Hopefully not at the end of the week. I have to reverse all that. But this is the mother lode of all. Boom. URA divided by the spot price. URA is in full bullish mode against the metal. Short term. You know the Vikhoff spring, I've shown you 1,000 times. When and if we get above roughly 0.37 here, one can only dream. It sounds a bit hype, I know, but it is just finally we had that big pop there, and so close to the open skies. The golden trend line is broken, consolidating above. It's beautiful. We're breaking out. 30 weekly is coming up nicely finally. Yes. It's good. It's really good. So, the spot price has not moved today. I assume if it has increased, I don't know, that we are going to see that, tomorrow maybe. It's a bit delayed, so don't just, it will come if it happens. The U.UN here, ever since we broke the rail there yesterday, we have, continuation here, decent volume as well. It's really good. There is a little hurdle coming up here, tiny one here. Basically, the halfway of the M here. This is an M bottoming, and you can basically add on top the distance from this small move here. Well, this pattern is pointing to, funnily enough, the highs from over here, that pivot there. So We have some resistance here in this U.UN, but we have broken. It's good. But we really want to take out that high for a higher high within this small structure here. But cool for now. Fantastic. Cameco, as I've been saying for a long time, we need Cameco to do well because it is such a big component of the ETFs. And this is, it's incredible. It's really, really, really good. Massive volume coming in, 2x the average, breaking out above these two over here. And it's, yeah. You very rarely get me, you know, this excited, but this is one of the big moments in uranium. It's amazing. I like what I see. I will not go into detail. We're just going to celebrate a bit here. Basically, what we have been viewing, the formation, you know, it came in, all that, and we had the idea of this also being an inverted head and shoulders into the long-term uptrend, falling wedge broken, neckline broke. I mean, above the 30-weekly moving average, volume. This day is an amazing day for uranium. Absolutely top dollar. Again, I hope I don't have to reverse this tomorrow, but for now, we are happy. We are really, really happy. The gold to silver ratio, again, we know has an influence on the miners. Today, flat, miners full on bull mode. Also, the gold miners are looking really strong. Silver miners looking really strong. Everything is green today in the miner space, at least gold and silver and uranium. I have not checked other ETFs like the copper and all that, but and also oil here with a nice day. Again, staying above the 80. We have this big, huge green zone here, which is support, which we want to hold. And as long as we do, we have the potential of finally, this is the big one, going back 3 years. If we can take out 84.5, let's say, maybe a tad higher. Wow. Oil is going on a journey to the upside, in my opinion here. This is also the ABC final wave correction here, right? So hopefully, boop. Yeah, it's great across the board. I really, really like what I'm seeing. I don't know much else to say here other than the fact that I will we will look into uranium miners again. Because finally we have the ETFs showing the way. We have Cameco again showing the way, next gen. So the ones that we're looking at is also moving. We can check here, basically, we can check here. Yep, green across the board. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. And yeah, I have nothing further. Wow, gold miners is just, wow, fantastic. Great day across the board. I will not go into details. This was what we have been waiting for with a green font, as I like to say, a green bar, volume. Cheers, guys. Have a great day. Bye.